Umkhosi Womhlanga, or the Redance, is one of Southern Africa's biggest events. With all the exposure and the information available, the social media platforms, Google and Facebook, continue to harass and abuse mentally, emotionally, and spiritually the African goddesses as they freely share their experiences. Racism and women abuse is manufactured by these organizations. It may sound moralistic what they preach, but behind it is only evil intentions to degrade and dehumanize African women. Nudity, sexual obsession, and the view of breasts as sexual is a Western social construct. It's nothing but just fiction. We need the authorities and the nominated state organs to take action against the abuses of our women and children.